Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the text from the uppercase to the lowercase by using some tools on your LibreOffice writer on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the uppercase text to the lowercase text, or how to change this capital text to the small text. So it's simple. In LibreOffice writer, you just need to select the entire text. You just need to change. Then don't press right click here on your mouse. Instead of that, just go inside the format option on the top. Now just click on the text. You can find an option called lowercase. Just click this, which will change everything to the lowercase. We just need to change some important words. You can just select it and you can just choose this. Just select the text, go to the format option, go to the text, and just click on the lowercase option, which will be change any uppercase or capital letter words to the small letter word. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. If you're having any comment doubt about the LibreOffice writer, you just comment below. I will make a video about it. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.